unboxing from Caviar Dreams Wax. Caviar Dreams collection. Look at their pretty box. I knew exactly who it was from when it came in. I love that they have the box with their logo on it. So let's go ahead and look inside. I had untaped it but done nothing much more after that. Here's a thank you card. Oh, how pretty is she? Okay. This is the Chief Sparkle Officer. So cute. All right, so what did I get from Caviar Dreams? I love this packaging. It's so neat. Let's see, I'll be right back. So this is why I say it's neat, is because there's like, it came in these tart cups and it just fits perfectly every one that I have. Oh, every one that I got from her. I've never ordered from this place before. Looks like there's a little sample in here. But I thought their stuff was super cute, so I said, why not try it? This is a Mango Tango. I do love Mango Tango, actually. So let's see what I have here. The first one I have is Saturday Morning Cartoons. Look how cute. So pretty. And it smells like Trix. I always say Trix and people say, no, it smells like Fruit Loops. The next one that I got is Laundry Suds. I love these containers. They're like resealable like containers, but it's like attached. All right, look how pretty this is. Yikes. Oh, that smells so good. This is, again, Laundry Suds. Then we have Bubbly Pear Riesling. Oh, the shimmer on this one. Whoa, Lord. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't wait to put these in my warmer. And then the next one is, what does that say? Bubble Gum Babe. Oh, I love the scent of this. Oh my gosh, it's making me want some bubble gum. Look at this thing. These are the reasons I ordered it, because when I saw the shimmer that they were showing on their site, and I was like, I hope they really look like this in real life, because sometimes you see something on the site or you go to order, when you get it home it really doesn't look like it does, but these are living up to the hype. This is the Lush Honey Apple. Look at the little apples, so cute. It's very soft scent on this one. Oh, and I have another sample in here. Southern Gent. How shimmery. Thank you for the 2 samples. And the last one that I got is Ice Cream Parlor. Oh, it's just as cute as I had looked on the site. Look at it. Oh, it smells so good. Ice cream cone is a candy sprinkle. Remove it before melting. I don't know. I might have to leave it in there because I want to show off the cuteness. Again, we had the Ice Cream Parlor. That's fruity, sweet cream, vanilla, caramelized sugar, and honey. Then we had the Lush Honey Apple, Sweet Apple, Anjou Pear, Ripe Nectarine, Golden Honey, Sweet Vanilla Sugar. That's why it's soft. Then we had the Bubbly Pear Riesling, Riesling Grapes, Pear, Jasmine, Woody, Creamed Vanilla. This smells so good. Again, let me just show you. So pretty. Then we had the Bubblegum Babe. So pretty. It smells like delicious, amazing, delicious bubble gum. We have Laundry Suds. Look at that. So sparkly. And then last but not least, we have Saturday Morning Cartoons. And this is scented and tangy cherry, sweet orange, sweet vanilla bean, sandalwood. I forgot to say this one. This one was clean cotton, fresh linen, laundry detergent, and fabric softener. All right, let me check if there's any more samples. Oh, and I have another whole nother ingredient here. I thought I was done. All right, so this is the last one. Oh yeah, that's right, watermelon slushy. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. These are just so cute. And this is juicy watermelon, raspberry seed, sweet honeydew, and lemongrass. My microwave is calling my name. And then we have the 2 freebies, Mango Tango and Southern Gent. All right, guys, that's it from Caviar Dreams, my first order from them. I'm super excited. Everything looks exactly as it's shown on the site. I will talk to you guys on the next one.